Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Stoat Chat Beginner's Guide. Stoat Chat is a simple and user-friendly messaging platform designed to help you connect with friends quickly and securely. Whether you're sending text messages, sharing media, or starting group conversations, the app makes communication smooth and convenient. This beginner's guide will walk you through the basics so you can start using StoatChat with confidence. So first, turn on your PC and sign in to Windows. Open your preferred web browser, then go to the official StoatChat website. Here, choose Open App Web App. Click Sign Up if you're new, or log in if you already have an account. Enter your email address and create a secure password, then hit Register. Verify your email if confirmation is required. Click Login and log into your StoatChat account. Complete your profile by providing username and hit Confirm. You can add a name and profile picture here. Click Friends to add people. Search for your friend's username or email. Here, add a new friend or send a friend request and wait for approval. Then click Send Request. Click on a contact's name to open a chat window. Type your message and press Enter to start chatting. Tip: check the settings menu to customize notifications, privacy options, and chat preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.